Here's another example on problems that can lead to simultaneous linear equation. Here we are told that Joshua bought 4 books and 2 pens in a bookshop and paid 158 naira. In the same bookshop, Sharon bought 3 books and 4 pens of the same type for 141 naira. And we are to find the cost of 1 book and 1 pen. To solve this, we have to make correct interpretation of the problem. So we start by saying, let book be represented by letter B and pen be represented by P. You can use any letter you want. I have just using the first letter of the word book and the first letter of the word pen in this case. So that means what Joshua bought is 4 books plus 2 pen, and he paid 158 naira. And then for Sharon, she bought 3 books plus 4 pens, and she paid 141 naira. So this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let us solve these equations simultaneously. As you can see here, none of the unknown has a coefficient of 1. So what I will do is to use the elimination method. So in order to use the elimination method, I want to eliminate the B. To eliminate B, I will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of B in equation 2, which is 3, and multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of B in equation 1, which is 4. And this can be written as, now remember equation 1 is multiplied by 3, so I have 3 multiplied by 4B plus 2P equals 158 naira. And then I have 4 multiplied by 3B plus 4P equals 141 naira. Now let's see what this gives us. 3 multiplied by 4 would give us 12. So 12B plus 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. So we have 6P equals, now we multiply 158 by 3. So I have 158 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 8 will give me 24. So 4 carry the 2. 3 multiplied by 5, and that's 15. 15 plus 2, and we have 17. So 7 carry 1. And 3 multiplied by 1, that's 3. Plus 1, and we have 4. So this is 474 naira. And then to the next equation, we multiply through by 4. And 4 multiplied by 3 will give me 12B plus 4 multiplied by 4 would give me 16P equals, now 141 multiplied by 4. So 141 multiplied by 4. 4 times 1, we have 4. 4 times 4, that's 16. 6, carry 1. 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus 1, and we have 5. So we have, in naira, 564 naira. Now we subtract this equation from the other. So 12B minus 12B, we have 0. And 6P minus 16P, we have minus 10P. And then 474 minus 564. We would have 0. And then here we have 6 minus 7, and that is impossible, so we borrow 1 here. And that becomes 16. 16 minus 7, and we have 9. So negative 90. Therefore, we can now say minus 10p equals minus 90. Now, when we take this up here, we multiply through both sides by minus 1. And then we'll have minus 1 multiplied by minus 10p equals minus 1 multiplied by minus 90. And this will give us 10p equals 90. And when we divide both sides by 10, we see that the cost of each pen is 9. So we have 9 naira. So we have gotten the cost of a pen. Now let's find the cost of one book. So we substitute. P equals 9 naira into equation 1. So working with equation 1, anywhere I find P, I put 9. So therefore we would have 4b plus 2 into P, and P is 9. And this equals 158 naira. Now from here we can say 4b equals 2. 4b equals, here we have 158 naira, and then minus 2 multiplied by 9 naira. Remember the naira sign. 2 multiplied by 9 naira, and we have 18 naira. So our 4b equals 158 naira minus 18 naira, and that will give us 140 naira. Now we divide both sides by 4, and then our b equals 4 in 14, that is 3, remainder 2, and then in 20 we have 5. Therefore the cost of each book is 35 naira. Now remember, the question says find the cost of one book and one pen. So cost of one book and one pen would be given as, now the cost of a book is 35 naira plus the cost of one pen, which is 9 naira. And this will give us our answer as 44 naira. Thank you.